Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to solve app not opening. I mean, when you power on your phone, there's no app that is opening except settings or the SIM toolkit. Some people have complained this issue, but actually it's a very simple issue which you could solve within seconds, or let's say minutes. So watch this video carefully, step by step, and I'll assure you that your problem will be solved successfully. So go to settings and search for accessibility. Make sure you see accessibility on your device, and once you touch on accessibility, go ahead and touch on interaction and dexterity, and make sure assistant menu is turned on. Go ahead and go back to the usual settings application and search for lock screen. You're going to search for lock screen, and once you tap on lock screen, you're going to click on screen lock type. There you'll see screen lock type, and once you touch on screen lock type, you'll get a keyboard to type your password. Remember that the password is set, either the password, the pin, the pattern, the one that you had set on your phone. And for instance, I'm going to say mine, and once I've finished typing, I'll click on next or done, and just wait about 3 seconds and you'll come to this page. And once you come to this page, just go back. You can go back. This happens when you used my method to bypass Keylogg and you had set lock screen. My method supports setting lock screen, and so firstly you have to set a lock screen, then the apps on your phone will open. It works like a normal phone, just weird a little bit. Even the fingerprint functions, and so this is the assistant menu. You could use it as a navigation bar. And now our apps are now opening as usual. You don't need to factory data reset your device in order to solve this issue. That was the issue. So I'm going to prove to you that that's the issue in a few seconds. So let's go to settings, and you're going to set on lock screen. You're going to search for lock screen, and for this instance, while I type on screen lock type, I type my password, the password that I had set on my device, the one I used to unlock my phone. And if I set on swipe or none, if I tap on swipe or none, I'll be prompted or asked to if I really want to remove all data, including the fingerprints I had set. Now, when I restart my device, now my device has no password. It's passwordless. You could just swipe and you could open it. And once my device powers on normally as usual, all apps will open as normal, just normal as usual. Now that was the problem, and if we do it anti-clockwise, if we set a lock screen, if we're going to set a lock screen, for instance, let me set a pattern. I'm going to set a pattern. This is not a pattern I'm using, this is just an example pattern. This is not a pattern for my device, this is just for example. Okay, and once I set my pattern as my lock screen, I'm going to restart my device and see what will happen. Remember, this phone is KG bypassed. And once I click on restart, my device will restart normally. It will take a few seconds, and once the phone finishes booting, as you can see, while I try to open any application, none of the application will open. None of it will open, no matter how hard I try. The only application that opens is Settings and SIM Toolkit. And once I click on Settings, once I go on Settings, I'm going to click on Settings. The Settings is the only application that works. Once I click on Setting, I'll go to Lock Screen. And once I click on Lock Screen, I'll go to Screen Lock Type. And I'm going to set my pattern, the one I had set for example. And as you can see, the phone will do the same. Now everything will be normal. Once I go back, my navigation bar will come back, everything, control panel, and the phone will work normal as usual. Now go ahead and unlock your device and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and please share to a friend who has the same issue, and they'll appreciate, and I will also appreciate it. Thanks for watching. My name is Arnold, and I wish you the very best. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.